Hi guys, I'm Kelia Ruzindana. I'm with Sarah Amanda and the beautiful Kayumba Darina, and we are proposing this motion which states this house would make sexual reproductive health a mandatory subject for all secondary schools in order to deal with teenage pregnancies. So I will enlighten you with the keywords, which is sexual reproductive health. So I'll let you know what it is. So reproductive health education, it includes message to encourage abstinence and promote the use of condoms and contraceptives for those who are sexually active. And another keyword is secondary schools. You're wondering why, like why secondary?
And first and foremost, I would like to thank the beautiful Queen Daniel because she literally just proved her point for us. And secondly, by continuing, the motion states that this house would make sexual reproduction health a mandatory subject for all secondary schools.
The motion already. So first of all, before I get to my point, I heard from my beautiful colleague Amanda who said that kids learn from their parents or from their elders.
Exactly.
Yeah, we learned to
sometimes
that
from my parents good 63%
good things sometimes, right?
No, 63 girls
so she
get
said we
pregnant
learn
per
from
day.
them. So I don't really get how early pregnancies and learning from our parents connect. Like, do they get their consent before going to meet the boy who's going to get them pregnant? Do they watch them while they are having sex? I don't know. I don't really get your point, but I'll give you time to explain. So I am standing here today stating that I believe that why should we make it a mandatory? That's really sad.
I think it's
here in
better
Rwanda.
if we could make
So
this
I
our
believe that
culture.
this should be our culture.
I
As
believe
my
that
fellow
we
colleagues
Rwandans
say,
can do a better
in
job
Rwanda,
if we actually get to grab with this, right?
So
I think we as
believe this is something
Rwandans
we
should have this thing within us that teenage
also, my
pregnancy
fellow
should
colleagues have been
almost be
saying
like a
that
taboo.
secondary
It should not
school
be allowed,
You know, we are beautiful Rwandans. I believe that that is a shame to our country.